People living in a neighborhood near Liberty Station reached out to us because loud construction noise has been keeping them up all night. They say they're frustrated they weren't even told about the project. CBS 8's Ariana Cohen is working for you to find out what kind of work is being done and who's responsible for warning neighbors about the nighttime noise.
Yes, I spoke to several neighbors living in this Liberty Station neighborhood who say they've had countless sleepless nights. I even spoke to one couple who says they're moving out today. One of the reasons being they're just sick of all the noise.
It's piercing. It gives me headaches. It's that bad.
Very loud.
It's pounding, it's banging, it's high decibel level.
A neighbor living near Truxton and Farragut took this cell phone video of the loud construction work Tuesday night. Several people living here say they've dealt with loud construction noises since early spring.
It's been 5 separate times where they've dug up the street with the noise level all night long with jackhammers and bright lights right into our house and our next door neighbor's house also. And then jackhammering until like 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning.
You know, if I were going to grade these guys on project management, they would get a flunking grade because they just did not do the job the way it should be.
They tell me they would have liked to have been notified beforehand, but that was not the case. This couple is so sick and tired of the noise, they're moving out today.
One of the reasons we are moving out of the area is because of the noise continuously. It's just ridiculous.
I talked to an AT&T construction manager over the phone. He tells me they are installing fiber and they received a city work permit to do construction during those hours. A neighbor recorded this cell phone video when talking with an AT&T worker.
The city should have notified us that this was happening.
Yeah, but we got all our permits and everything.
He also says they notified the neighborhood with a door hanger, which didn't have the dates or times of when they would do construction. AT&T corporate got back to me and said in part, quote, "As we work to bring high-speed fiber internet, we apologize for the inconvenience and expect to complete this work as soon as today."
They just don't care at all about the residents around this community, which is shameful.
Working for you, Ariana Cohen, CBS 8.
Thanks, Ariana, and don't forget, here at CBS 8, we're always working for you. If there's something you'd like us to look into, email us at workingforyou@cbs8.com.